Hello, welcome. Today I am doing an unboxing and review of the Miufly 2K Pro body camera. I also have the mini auxiliary camera lens. This is a separate purchase from the body camera and it's only compatible with the 2K body camera. This is a separate purchase of $40, but it can be attached to the main body camera to record simultaneously with the body camera, or as a replacement if you want a less noticeable camera. Going right into the unboxing, the first thing I'm introduced with is the user manual. Right under the user manual is the body camera. I was very surprised by its compact size. Following the body camera is the charging deck, crocodile clip, epaulette clip, GoPro attachment, wall charger, and charging cable. Aside from the mini auxiliary camera lens, this is what you should have in your box. The Miufly 2K Pro body camera has a very small and compact body. I definitely enjoy this, and also I enjoy how the USB is on the side where you can either charge it or plug in the mini auxiliary camera lens. The charging deck is very simple. The body camera goes in the slot on top, and on the back is the one plug for the charging wire. Once you plug the charging wire into the charging deck, you plug the other end into the wall charger, and you plug that into the wall plug, and the light will turn on to show that it's charging. The mini auxiliary camera lens for the Miufly 2K Pro body camera has a clip on the back that goes around 360 degrees, so there's no worry that if you have the camera at a weird angle, the clip turns all the way around and then you can just attach it to whatever jacket or maybe part of your backpack, whatever works best for you. Mini auxiliary camera lens has the USB on the other end, and that's where you plug it in straight to the body camera. Now I'm going to be putting in the clip. I'm going to show you how you put it in. You just slide it in that slot, and until you hear that click, then you'll know that it's fully set with the body camera and there won't be any issues of the body camera detaching from the clip. Taking the clip off is very easy. You just pull this plastic tab and it slides off. I'm going to try one more time with the epaulette clip. I'm going to slide in the clip to the slot until I hear a click. Then I can rotate the clip any way I want. I can also, attach it to whatever bag. But if I want to take it off, it's very easy. Once again, there's a plastic tab and you just pull it away from the body camera and pull out the clip. Now to set up the Miufly 2K Pro body camera. To turn it on the right side at the very bottom is the power button. You hold it for 3 seconds and it will turn on. Now that the body camera is open, you can now go into the menu. You press M on the back and then you'll see the passcode. The preset passcode is all zeros, so you can just press OK to get through it. You can always change the passcode in the settings if you ever want to, but for now it's at the preset settings. Right off the bat, I look at the resolution and change it to my preferences. Since I want the best and clearest picture, I go for the highest resolution, which is 250/60 by 1440. Now, you can do whatever settings you want. There is all the information in the manual to describe what is for what, but I'm doing what I prefer, and you can always do something different. Since I really prefer high quality, I keep my settings as S fine, the best highest quality they can give me. I also in the end turned on pre-record. Right here I did not, but in the end I actually did turn on pre-record because I feel like if I'm pressing record, I might want that extra 30 seconds before I press the record button, just in case if it's important. Another important feature is I turn on loop record. Right here I did not, but I did in the future. And what it does is it overrides clips once it runs out of space. Just make sure that if you do want to keep a clip, save it to your computer so it doesn't get accidentally overwritten over time. The body camera does have the global positioning function. I turned it on and there are detailed instructions in the manual on how to set it up and find your location. You have to download Google World, but I did not do that, but it's in the manual if you do get it. What I enjoy that Miufly provides is the ability to customize my body camera regarding the sounds, the voices that come out of the body camera when you select something. You can turn that off, you can turn off some of the lights, the LCD brightness, and the volume. It all depends on what you want, if you want it to be more silent or you just want it to be louder, so then you're making sure that you have your settings and you're clicking the buttons. I'm just speeding up here since it's more customized settings, but I'm going to slow it down when I get to the coding format. Here is the coding format. I keep it at H.264. It is not as big of a size and the quality is still good. The controls for the body camera are very straightforward and simple. Changing the date is as easy as pie because you use the left and right buttons to either go back or forth, and you press OK to enter once you're satisfied. If you want to back out of a specific setting that you're in, you can use the power button to back out. You just tap it once and it gets out of the setting that you are in. I highly recommend you put your own custom ID and change the password from the preset because you don't ever want someone to get your body camera and try to delete evidence or change settings without you knowing. And if they think going to the computer will help delete the footage, it won't, because the body camera will ask for the passcode when it's plugged in. I prefer having infrared on manual. I just like to have that control when I want it either in infrared mode or just in regular recording mode. To change it when it's in manual, you press the FN button, which is between the power button on the bottom and the record button on the top. If you ever wonder when your camera is in infrared mode, you can easily see by checking the front of your body camera and seeing that the sensors are on. Aside from recording videos, the body camera has a few more other options, such as taking photos. On the left side, if you press the camera icon right there, you click it and it'll take a snapshot. It'll save it as a JPEG in a different folder. On the bottom, you see this microphone icon. Press that and it instantly goes into audio recording only. Audio recording, nice. Now that you're familiar with the body camera, let's record. After pressing record, the LCD screen instantly shows you the length of the recording. On top of the body camera, you'll see the light blink red. You can turn on infrared while recording. This is very good when you're going inside a building and it's too dark and you're already recording and you don't want to stop recording to fix the settings. Now for the auxiliary camera lens. I'm going to show you how it can be used as a main camera. So right away when you plug it in, it shows as the main camera, but this is also because in the settings, I have not turned on the settings where you can record both at the same time. If you want to do that, you first go into the menu, put in the password. If you changed it, you put in your password. Then you go down in the settings and you turn on record camera both. You really can't go wrong with the extra camera. It's really great to have that second camera so you can use it to attach it at a different angle. You could also have the smaller camera in the front and the body camera in the back, or the other way around. On the small camera there is a record button, so if you did have it, you can easily start recording and you don't have to worry about pressing record on the main body camera. The small camera also has sensors, so with the infrared on, it will be able to see things at night. Here's some footage from the body camera so you can see for yourself what each camera looks like and the resolution. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you in any way. If you liked the video, feel free to leave a like or subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great day and you stay safe. And until next time, goodbye.